Hi, this is Lily here. Few days ago when I was having gathering with my friends, one of them asked me, do you think public speaking is a soft skill? I said yes, but no. What do I mean is that it was a soft skill in the past, but to me right now it's a surviving skill. Why do I say so is because let's imagine A and B, both of them, they are launching a new product, the same product, but then A, he's afraid of public speaking and he said, I don't want to do any launching, I just want to sell it one by one, or he rather hire another representative to help him to sell it to the public. But try to imagine when someone representing you to sell your idea or sell your product, the results or the effects will not be as good as how you sell it, because it's something that you create. You must have a lot of passion or a lot of you know your products better rather compared to others. But B, he was able to do some public speaking, and he held a press conference, he sell his idea in public, he do some sales presentation like what Steve Jobs did when they launched their iPhone, and he managed to influence others, convince the audience, convince the press, convince the audience, and he managed to sell it better. So in this competitive era, I think public speaking is no longer just a soft skill, but can be a competitive skill or can be a surviving skill. I think surviving skill, because sometimes we need to sell ourselves to the public as well. We always need to sell ourselves to more and more people, so that whenever we have an idea or whenever we have something that we think it is valuable for us to sell to others, we need to be able to present it to others. So to me, I think public speaking is no longer a soft skill, but a surviving and competing skill in this competitive era.